What's up, Junior? Hello, Junior. What's up, man? You coming to the Christmas party tonight? Everybody's gonna be there.
I already told you I'm not able to make it. I've got meetings, I've got the truck to finish up, I've got a video to edit tonight. There's no way I'm making your stupid Christmas party tonight.
Night, Junior.
Junior, are you coming out tonight?
Nah, there's no way, man. I got way too much to do.
All right.
Hey, Junior, do you want the lights off?
Yeah, sure, whatever. Stupid truck. I don't even know why I own one. What does he want? What the heck? Hey, dude, we're closed. Hey, you can't be here right now. It's Christmas Eve. Go home. Who are you?
In life, I was your builder.
What are you talking about, dude? We're closed.
Junior, it's time for you to recover your enthusiast spirit.
Dude, this is just CO2. What's the big idea?
This is the build of Enthusiast Past. Sean's dream come to life and the foundation of what is now Custom Offsets.
Okay, but what's the point? I don't get it.
You'll see.
Okay, no, but seriously, I've been working my ass off editing YouTube videos all day long, then I go into the shop and I'm working on my truck to post dope edits to TikTok. I don't get what more you want from me.
It's not about you, Junior. It's about the community.
What's our current giveaway truck have to do with anything?
Our first ever giveaway truck, Junior. You see, it's more about the community.
So what, you're telling me that I shouldn't be building my truck for clout and working 80 plus hours a week?
Exactly. Think of all the badass things we've done that have led us to this and the opportunities that you've missed. Is there anything important you've missed out on lately?
Well, I mean,
You coming to the Christmas party tonight? Everybody's gonna be there.
I guess there is some stuff I could work on, but what does that mean for the future?
This is your future.
Hope you guys had as much fun with this video as we did. Thank you guys for all liking, commenting, or even saying hi to us at a show. And from all of us at Custom Offsets,
Merry Christmas!